Hello, I'm Chef Thomas Leatherbarrow, the consultant, and I'm here today to talk to you about the new course we have to offer, a Masterclass in Foodology. In this module, you will begin to learn the basics of food service, client service, and taking care of your clients. In Module 2, you will begin to learn Foodology, including food terms, pairing, menu alteration, drinks, and much more. Understanding your menu will help you to serve your clients to the best of your ability. It will also help you to upsell menu items, to give your diners a better experience, and to leave a favourable impression. As a waiter, you can consider yourself a salesperson. Your goal is to sell menu items to diners. You wouldn't buy a car from someone who knew nothing about it, and most people wouldn't be bothered to try a dish when you don't inspire them to want to. This masterclass in Foodology will help you to develop a passion for food, if you don't already have one, which you can use to inspire your guests.